Why do some people make tofu that is not tasty at all? And it doesn't taste good enough. Today, I will teach you a very simple and delicious method. Make sure the tofu you make is smooth, tender and fragrant, appetizer, and is very tasty. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First, prepare $2 of serious tofu. First, cut the tofu into thicker slices. I used tender tofu today. Cut a little thicker. It's not easy to break when fried this way. The thickness is about 1 centimeter. After all are cut, put into a larger bowl. Then add a spoonful of salt to the bowl. Drizzle with a spoonful of straw mushroom dark soy sauce. Then add a little more water to it. No tofu. We will fry the tofu before. Soak it in salt water and soy sauce. It will be more delicious. Let's take this time to prepare some side dishes. Prepare some garlic cut into larger granules. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small section of green onions first. Then chop the shallots. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a little ginger. Slice them up. Then I cut it into filaments. And finally minced ginger. Put the cut onion, ginger and garlic together for later use. Prepare a small handful of shallots. Cut into scallions. After cutting, separate them and put them in a small bowl for later use. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce to a small bowl. A spoonful of oyster sauce to freshen up. Add a pinch of salt. A little chicken essence. Add another spoonful of pepper. A little sugar. Add half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour in half a bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Let's make a sauce in advance. It can prevent you from being in a hurry when frying. Stir well and set aside for later use. Next, prepare a small handful of dried peppers. Pour in some water. We simply put spicy. Scratch the pepper. Looks like a very clean pepper. There's a lot of dust, actually. Wash it like this and it will be clean. And it's not easy to burn when frying. If you like to eat ham, add a little pepper. Next, prepare a small piece of front leg meat. Slice them up. If you like to eat fatter, you can use pork belly. Finally, chop all the meat into minced meat. No need to chop too much. It's a little grainy. Add some meat when frying tofu. Tastes meaty. Chop the back end and set aside in a small bowl. This time, our tofu has also been soaked. At this time, the tofu is also dyed yellow with sauce. We remove the tofu from the water control and put it on a plate for later use. Next up, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, put the tofu into the pot piece by piece. Don't worry about flipping it after all are put into the pot. You can rotate the pot body. Let it heat evenly. Fry one side of the tofu until golden brown. Flip it over and fry the other side. Keep spinning the pan. Set it on both sides of the tofu. Finally, fry like this in the video. Golden on both sides is almost the same. We will first take out the fried tofu and put it on a plate. Pot bottom oil. Pour the onion, ginger and garlic down and fry until fragrant. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Thank you for your support. After frying, add the chopped meat. Then we spread the minced meat with a shovel. Make home-cooked meals at home. You don't need to put too much oil. Not only does it taste too greasy, and the oil is too much to hurt the body. We fry the minced meat until it changes color. Add the chili. Continue to stir-fry evenly. Fried spicy. After frying it all, add the fried tofu. Come in and stir-fry it easily. Let the ingredients mix evenly. Then pour on the sauce just made. Fried tofu. It's not wrong to stir-fry a few times at will. Just stir-fry a few times at this time. Make all the tofu and ingredients absorb the fragrance. That's it. Sprinkle with sexy scallions before serving. It's very simple. And especially delicious meat from home-cooked tofu is ready. Next, you can take it out of the pot and put it on a plate. Tofu made like this. It looks very appetizing. It smells really good too. Take a bite of smooth and nutritious and delicious, soaked in soy sauce and salt water. It doesn't break easily when fried. And it tastes delicious. If you also think this method is good, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to leave a message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.